So if you're an artist wanting to learn how to draw animals and enjoy a classic step-by-step tutorial, then I'm super hyped to share with you my big announcement, and that is I wrote a book. It's called the Animal Drawing Primer, and it's going to be published this November. It's packed with tutorials to draw an array of different popular animals, from dogs to cats, from birds to deer. So a year ago I was approached by the team at Page Street Publishing to put together this book to help fellow artists learn how to draw animals. And of course, who wouldn't jump at the chance? I consider myself incredibly lucky to have been given this opportunity. And best of all, this book is available for pre-order now. Plus, I know that November is a whole ways away yet, so if you pre-order this book and send me the receipt, I'll send you a free ebook containing 4 bonus tutorials. Just my little way of saying thanks for pre-ordering. Instructions on how to do that will be via the link in the description. As a viewer and a supporter of this channel, my biggest, most heartfelt, deepest thanks go to you. This opportunity wouldn't have come about if it wasn't for people like yourself, and I consider myself just the most fortunate person. It really does mean so much to me. Every single like, every single comment, every single subscribe, I really wouldn't be here without you, so really, thank you. So I'll leave you to it, folks. Just a really quick video from me today doing this announcement. If you want to pre-order yourself a copy, the link will be in the description below for you. Just as a brief note, the book's going to be released in the US and Canada first, around the 14th of November, and then Europe can expect the release about 6 to 8 weeks later. But if you live outside the US and you want to jump on the pre-order now, you can do so using Amazon or even Blackwell's. I think they ship internationally as well, so do check that out. But as always guys, much love and thank you so much for your support. I can't wait to share this book with you. I'll see you in the next one.